And welcome everybody, Okta stock on 27 November. So let's start with easy price prediction step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to watch this video until the end, subscribe, like, and let's go for what we want. On this stock is going to be about the circle here and the another circle here. So this is going to be about the price here and the price, and this is going to be the price prediction would be that resulted from this part. So the intersection of the trend line with this slope line here. Okay, it is separated from the new wave, and it's going to be the new wave here, and the new wave made this decrease in momentum a lot and a lot. So that means that wave is going to be such a thing that has to do the complete interaction of 10 Fibonacci level. So since it's going to make a 0 Fibonacci level interaction here, okay, maybe it done here, okay, and this part has been separated from another part. This is going to be the new wave, and that is going to be making such as an example for the increase on the Okta stock on 1 day update. Hope you benefit from this video.